Sometimes you just have to be done, not mad, not upset, just done. Instead of getting defensive, just say, "Thanks for letting me know your thoughts. I will consider them." Your life becomes a masterpiece when you learn to masterpiece. You don't get what you want, you get what you believe you deserve. Sometimes you have to stay silent because no words can explain what is going in your mind and your heart. Fall in love with someone who doesn't make you think love is hard. Just because I don't react doesn't mean I did not notice. You can't start the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a heart battle. When you change the way you think, you can change the way you feel. Spend less time trying to change someone and more time trying to love and understand them. Sometimes the only closure you need is understanding that you deserve better. Don't let anyone yet comfortable disrespecting you. Your boundaries teach people how you should be treated. Sometimes the only closure you need is understanding that you deserve better. Nothing feels better than a surprise next from that person. Raise your hand if you once lost everything and had to rebuild your whole life from scratch. There are bigger goals in life than being a good woman to a man. Be a good woman to yourself. Before you think of the ripple effect it will have on